Hi everyone, welcome back to David's channel, and in this video I will show you how to use American Airlines trip credit. How to redeem your American Airlines trip credit. So, let's first discuss what is a trip credit versus flight credit. So, trip credit is issued for canceled flights, refunds, or unused tickets. It can be used online for new bookings. And flight credit is issued when you cancel a flight without a refund and can only be used by the original passengers and may have more restriction. So, how do you redeem your American Airlines trip credit? So, first, you want to start your flight search. So you want to go to aa.com and then enter your travel details. So you want to enter it right here. After that is select your flight. Choose your desired flights. So continue through booking process until you reach the payment page. Next is apply your trip credit. So on the payment screen, select trip credit or flight credit as your payment method. Enter your trip credit number and PIN and then pay any balance if your ticket cost more than your credit, and just pay the difference with a credit card or another payment method. If your ticket costs less than your credit, then the remaining balance stays on your trip credit for future use until it expires. And then confirm and get your e-ticket. After applying the credit, complete your booking and you'll get a confirmation via email with your updated itinerary. And that is all on how to redeem your American Airlines trip credit.